some things that you should avoid when it comes to hiring these, porters. I've already named a couple, right? Not having clear responsibilities, not having that clear communication. So having some kind of tool in place, and not having supervision, right? So, but a big one is these folks, to Greg's earlier point, do not come cheap.
No, at all.
If you're trying to, get into a contract at a lower rate, and you're saying, hey, I need to compete on price. And so you go in a couple bucks higher than minimum wage and think that that's going to get it done. One, you're going to lose money no matter what you do, because you're going to have work comp and overhead and all the other stuff. But the other thing is that good luck trying to find a good, competent, consistent porter
At minimum
at
wage.
minimum wage. And you're going to, these people are going to be, their customer service, ambassadors to your company, ambassadors to your customer's company, and they deserve to make a premium for doing the work that they have to do on top of having to work with the public.
Yep.
So do not go in and underbid jobs.
You got to know, and I did a live on our OctoClean Media about this, like how to find out your hourly rate with profit, right? So that's something that if you don't know that, you don't even know where you should bid it at.
Yeah.
Like, oh, Sarah makes $15. I'm going to say we should make 16 then I make $1. No, you don't. You just lost 3.
You just lost 3. Yep.
So definitely it's confronting because, be honest, we didn't know how to do that. When we first started out, we didn't know how to say, okay, how much do I want to make if I want to make 20%, 30%, 40% profit, 10% profit? Okay, well, I'm not going to make hardly any profit here, but at least we can secure the night crew. So the night crew can win on efficiencies where the day porter is basically a wash, but at least I'm not losing on my day porter.
Right.
So there's a lot there when Matt's talking about hiring based on price alone.
Yeah.
Because if you get yourself in a position where I have to go minimum wage, forget it, dude.
Well, it's going to cost you a lot more money than
And reputation. You're going to lose the night crew too.
You're going to lose the night crew, and the extra $2 an hour that you should have been paying them is going to cost you a lot more in having to, interview, onboard all of these new people consistently, and the customer is going to get pissed because they're tired of seeing a rotating door, revolving door that is happening with these porters. Like they want consistency. They want the same person there every day.
I think that's where everyone first gets confused. Like, I have a day porter. So if you have a day porter, what do they do? Why do you have a day porter? When someone would ask me that question, the day porter's job is to ensure your facility looks as close to perfect for your customers, whether they be healthcare, whether they be a movie theater, wherever, as possible during the day. Greg, what is my scope of work? If it's dirty, we clean it.
These are things that if you aren't prepared, you're going to put yourself in a bad spot because they're just going to hire somebody else.
That's what the porter is. It's somebody that's very highly skilled, but also has the customer service skills.
Big time. Yep. Yeah. I mean, it blows me away that, we people in our industry don't train porters to be brand ambassadors, right? Like that's really what their job is as well.